Hi everyone, today we'll talk about the Laravel eCommerce Point of Sale module. This extension lets you manage multiple stores, track daily sales, and handle customers efficiently. Each store has its own POS screen for assigned agents, and it supports both online and offline billing. This module is available in version 2.2.2. You can buy this extension by clicking the Buy Extension button for only $249. Now let's move to the user guide. Here you will find all the description and features for the Laravel eCommerce Point of Sale. Now let's move to the installation process. Here is the step-by-step installation and configuration process of Laravel eCommerce POS. Once the installation and configuration are done, let's move to the live demo of Laravel eCommerce POS. Once the marketplace is open, let's switch to the Admin panel. This is your admin dashboard to configure Laravel eCommerce POS. Click on Configure. Then, in Configuration, you will find POS. Then, you will find Settings. Click on Settings. In Settings, firstly you will find General Settings. Enable or disable the module functionality by status. Choose the POS logo. Enter the heading on login, enter the subheading on login, enter the footer content, and enter the footer note. Now for barcode setting configuration. Enable or disable the print product name. If enabled, you can print product name with the product barcode. Enter the width and height for the barcode. You can generate product with product ID or product SKU. You can enter the prefix if you want to. You can enable this to hide the barcode. Now for product settings. Allow SKU for custom product. If enabled at the front end, the POS agents can add the custom product SKU while adding product to the customer cart. After doing all this, click on Save Configuration. POS Management. Once the configuration is saved, on the dashboard you will find POS, Point of Sale. Click on Point of Sale. Here you will find Agents. In Agents, you will find the list of multiple users that have been created by admin. Admin can also create agent by clicking on Create Agent. Enter the username, enter the first name, enter the last name, enter the email, status enabled, to outlet, choose the outlet, enter the password, enter the confirm password. You can also upload the image for agent. Now, after filling all this in, click on Save Agent. Now your agent has been created successfully. Admin can edit the details for the agent from here, and admin can also delete the agent by clicking on Delete icon. Let's see. Click on Delete icon, click on Agree, and your agent is deleted now. Besides agents, you will find outlets. Click on Outlets. Here you will find the list of outlets. Admin can also create outlet by clicking on Create Outlet, and admin can also edit the outlet details. Admin can also manage the products by clicking on this icon, and admin can also delete the outlet by clicking on the Delete icon. Now let's move to the barcode product. Here, admin can view all the products associated with this store. Admin can generate the barcode by clicking on this icon and can print the barcode by clicking on this icon for a particular product. If you want a mass update, click on this icon. All the products are selected. Click on Select Action. Click on Generate Barcode. Click on Agree. Your barcode is generated successfully for all the products. You can also click on Particular Product, Select Action, Print Barcode, click on Agree, click on Print, click on Save. Your barcode is printed and saved successfully. Now let's move to the orders. Here, admin can view all the POS orders list, and admin can also view a particular order by clicking on View icon. Here are all the details related to the order. Now let's move to the requests. Here, the admin will check the low stock product request sent by the POS agent. By clicking on View icon, you can check for the particular request. Here is all the detail for the low stock product requested by the POS. Now let's move to banks. Here, admin can view all the banks associated or connected with his outlets, and admin can also add new bank by clicking on Create Bank, entering the name, entering address, entering email, entering phone number, enable the bank status, and assign the POS agent. Click on Save Bank. Your bank is successfully created and saved. You can also edit the bank details by clicking on this icon, and you can also delete the bank by clicking on this icon. Now let's move to the sales report. In Sales Report, admin can check his detailed sales report for his POS and website. Now let's move to the receipts. In Receipts, admin can view all the receipts for his store. Admin can preview a particular receipt by clicking on Preview option, like this. Admin can edit the receipt by clicking on Edit icon, and admin can also delete by clicking on Delete icon. Admin can create a receipt by clicking on Create Receipt. Now, after doing all this, let's move to the POS front end. Click on Open POS, enter the username, password, and click on Login. After login, you will have a pop-up for cash or amount. Enter the opening cash drawer amount, enter the remark, and click on Open Draw. Your drawer is successfully open. Now, after logging into the POS panel, you will have to click on this icon or go to Settings. Click on Sync and click on Start Syncing so that all the changes and other details from the admin side will be reflected here. Now you can see the products, customers, and other details. The user will also see a cart section where the POS user will manage customer orders. The POS users can also search for products from the search bar. From here, the POS users can also add bulk products to the cart by scanning the barcode and clicking on this, entering the barcode, and clicking on Proceed. You can also view products by category from here. You can also add products in the cart from here which are not present on the POS, but in the physical store. Just enter the name, SKU, price, quantity, weight, and click on Proceed. Now let's move to customers. In customers, you will find the list of registered customers. You can also edit the details for the customer with this icon. You can also add a new customer by clicking on Add New Customer, entering the details, for example, first name, last name, phone number, email, address, country, state, city, PIN code. Click on Add Customer. Now your customer is added successfully. You can view from here. You can also view online or offline customers from here. Now you can also change customer by clicking on a particular customer, clicking on Change Customer, and clicking on Agree. Your customer is changed here. Now let's move to the Cashier section. In Cashier, you will find Cash Store. Here you will find the drawer amount, summary, opening drawer amount, cash payment sale, other payment sale, expected drawer amount, difference, and expected drawer amount. You can find here whatever the orders you have calculated here will show the total amount here. Enter the remark and you can close the drawer by clicking on Close Drawer option. Now let's move to Today's Sale. In Today's Sale, you will find details related to per-day sales, like opening drawer amount, cash payment sale, other payment sale, etc. Now let's move to Sales History. In Sales History, you will find the whole sales history like this. You can apply filters like Date Range, Cash Payment, Other Payment, and Total Sales, and click on Apply Filter for a particular sales history. Now let's move to Orders. In Orders, you can view the list of orders with their status, either completed or returned. Click on any order to view the details like Product, Payable Amount. You can also return the order by clicking on Return, and you can also print invoice by clicking on Print Invoice option. Now you can also view the orders on hold. You can see that there is an order on hold. You can also view offline orders. Now let's see how to manage an order. Firstly, you have to add a product to the cart, like for example, add these products. Now click on Proceed. Then on the next page, you will find all the details. On the right side, you will find 3 options to pay the amount: cash, card, and split. If you choose cash, the customer provides the cash. If chosen card, then you have to enter the card details and bank like this. And if you choose a split option, the customer can split the payment in cash and card. So now, first, let's see the cash. Once the remaining amount is 0, click on Confirm Payment. Your order is placed. You can see it in today's sale here. You can see your sale here now. You can also put a particular order on hold. Let's see. We have added these items in the cart. Now, if you want to keep the cart on hold, click on Hold Order. Click on Agree. Your order is on hold. You can view it from Orders here, Hold Order. Now let's see how you can apply discount on products. You just have to add a product, then click on the product description. Enter the discount %, click on this arrow, your discount is applied. Now you can proceed with the order and complete the order. Now let's move to the products. Here you will find settings where you can enter minimum quantity of the product for the low stock product. You can check the low stock product in the stock product section here. By clicking on the product, you can send a request. Enter the requested quantity, enter the comment, click on Add Product, and your request is sent. Then your requested product with the quantity will be visible in the Request Product section like this. Now let's move to the reports. Here you will find all the sales-related reports, day-wise, week-wise, and month-wise, orders, average order value, average items per order, etc. Now let's move to settings. Here you can edit the POS user's profile, like you can change the password, update any other related info like email, and click on Update Profile. In Sync, you can sync all the changes made by the admin. In Shortcut, you will find shortcut keys which will help you perform POS easily, and in Regional, you can change the locale and currency and click on Save for the POS store. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.